Flexible spill containment is a growing segment of the UltraTech line. Whether containment berms, pop-up pools, duck ponds, drip diverters, or any of our other flexible or fabric-based products, our dedicated facility and personnel ensure that only the finest spill containment products are shipped to our customers. Our facility spans an impressive 8,000 square feet, dedicated to providing top-notch manufacturing capabilities for a wide range of containment solutions. At the core of our operations, we have 4 state-of-the-art RF welding machines strategically positioned around a 1,960 square foot work platform. This well-organized space allows us to efficiently produce high-quality containment berms with sizes reaching up to 1,800 square feet. The RF welding machines utilize advanced radio frequency technology to ensure precision in sealing materials, creating exceptionally strong and durable welds. These machines are capable of welding a variety of materials with thicknesses up to 60 mils, making them ideal for heavy-duty applications. The precision and reliability of the RF welding process we use guarantees that the finished products are robust, leak-proof, and able to withstand demanding environments. This high-tech process ensures that we consistently deliver containment solutions of the highest quality to meet the needs of our clients, whether they require customized designs or standard products. For more information, please visit us on the web at spillcontainment.com or call us at 904-292-1611.